Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on an Epson XP-5200. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see on the front of the printer here. So, first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already on a screen that looks like this, simply press the home button to be taken here. Now, we're going to use the right hand arrow to move us along to maintenance, which is represented by the symbol here. Press OK to go in. And the first option we have is printhead cleaning. And if you notice, the third option is power cleaning, which is like a more substantial clean. And whilst that sounds good, doing cleaning cycles from your printer does use up a reasonable amount of ink, as it's physically pushing ink through the printhead to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be causing you print quality issues. So I'd only recommend doing the power cleaning if you've got a pretty severe print quality issue. But the process is fairly similar, so I'm just going to go into the normal printhead cleaning, press OK, and leave the printer to it. Now this will take your printer a minute or so. And when the clean is done, your printer will present you with a page that looks like this, breaking down the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow ink that your printer uses, allowing you to check the print quality. If, like me, you've got a solid pattern like that, you're good to go. If, however, you've got any missing lines in this gate pattern, or even a missing colour, on the screen you just simply indicate that to the printer by choosing this left hand option, and you can do additional cleans to hopefully resolve your print quality issue. And from here, if needed, you can just go in circles doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you have a quality of print you're happy with. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.